Chase Yates, round number 4, review. Let's roll. Pilots, on your clocks. Live on the film in less than 5. Fantastic start off the blocks as we go around that first turn of the hurdle. Looking good as well. As we are chasing Darkness Samari, Mr. Chase, heads up FTV. Less than 7 seconds, something off there at the line as they all 4 go out. And Mr. Chase with issues, Amari with issues, but he's back on his line. We are chasing Dark X, heads up FTV, 1 and 2. Mr. Chase within striking distance. Over that time, he goes Mr. Chase, Amari heads up FTV. Dark X up at corkscrew section. And up high to the skies has a little bit of company as we end lap number 1. We're chasing Dark X on lap number 2. Heads up FTV, 2 tenths of a second behind him in second. Amari third. Mr. Chase in fourth. 3 seconds second. Off there as Mr. Chase finding a gear, trying to gain a couple of positions, trying to get that ace to push us another round. Dark X through the dive. Heads up FTV with some issues over that section. And on his way, trying to catch up. Dark X up high in the skies, over to the hurdle, the right-hand side.
Damn.
White flag about to fly. Dark X on 2, lap number 3. Here's our TQ with the drone overseas. The rain eluded him. And now it's 3 seconds to go. Now running second. 3.1 seconds back. Mr. Chase in third. 1.4 seconds behind him. And heads up FTV. 7 seconds from our leader. As we get set to wave a checkered flag here.
Come on, Kershaw.
Dark X over the corkscrew. Not taking that tough line this time. Taking the lead here. Over to our hurdle we go. As he finally
there it is.
Here in America.
These guys.